ZipRecruiter is a leading online job platform. Signing up is straightforward. This video guides you through creating an account and optimizing your profile and resume for success in 2025. ZipRecruiter uses AI to match job seekers with employers, making a well-crafted profile essential. First, visit ziprecruiter.com or download the mobile app on iOS or Android. Choose Job Seeker when prompted to select your account type. Provide your email address and create a secure password to protect your account. Verify your account through email or SMS by entering the confirmation code sent to you. Consider linking your LinkedIn profile to automatically fill in your information and save time. The mobile app offers convenient one-tap sign-up using biometric authentication features. Now that you've signed up, it's time to build your profile. This is essential for ZipRecruiter to match you with the right jobs. Start by uploading your resume. ZipRecruiter accepts PDF, Word, or text formats. Their AI will instantly parse it, extracting key information automatically. Next, add personal details like your location and job preferences. This helps ZipRecruiter find relevant opportunities in your area. Set up job alerts to receive notifications about new positions that match your preferences. This keeps you updated without constant searching. Ensure your profile is fully filled out. Add details about your education, work experience, and skills. This increases your visibility to employers and improves job matches. Now let's focus on optimizing your resume for applicant tracking systems, or ATS. These automated systems scan resumes before human recruiters see them, so formatting matters. Applicant tracking systems, or ATS, are software programs that employers use to manage job applications. They scan resumes for keywords and qualifications before passing them to human recruiters. First tip, use standard fonts like Arial in 10 to 12 point size. Avoid fancy or decorative fonts that ATS might not recognize. Avoid complex formatting like tables, graphics, or unusual layouts. Stick to simple bullet points and clear sections. Include quantifiable achievements in your resume. Instead of just listing duties, show results like increased sales by 20% to demonstrate your impact. Upload your resume in PDF or Word format. These formats are most compatible with ATS systems and preserve your formatting. Here's a visual comparison of a bad ATS resume versus a good one. The bad resume has complex formatting and graphics that ATS might struggle with, while the good resume uses simple text and clear structure. Finally, use ZipRecruiter's AI Resume Optimizer tool. It scans your resume and suggests improvements to make it more ATS-friendly and effective. Following these ATS optimization tips will help your resume get past automated screening and reach human recruiters. ZipRecruiter's AI tools are designed to enhance your job search. The AI Resume Optimizer analyzes job descriptions and suggests specific improvements to make your resume more effective. To optimize your resume, focus on including 5 to 10 relevant keywords for each job type you're targeting. These keywords help your resume pass through applicant tracking systems. The platform provides resume scoring on a scale of 100, helping you understand how well your resume matches job requirements. Additionally, predictive job matching uses AI to connect you with positions that best fit your skills and experience. As of 2025, 70% of users are leveraging these AI tools to improve their job application success. Customize your resume for each application using ZipRecruiter's Tailor Resume feature. This tool suggests edits based on specific job descriptions. Highlight in-demand skills like data analysis or remote collaboration. A skills section at the top of your resume is recommended by experts. In 2025, remote and hybrid work models have become the norm in the job market. Understanding the different hybrid work models is crucial for job seekers. Clearly indicate your remote work preferences in your ZipRecruiter profile. Keep your profile fresh by updating it monthly with new skills and experiences. Leverage ZipRecruiter's job search agent to automatically apply to matching jobs. Tailor your resume for international applications by using appropriate languages. Upgrade to a premium account to unlock unlimited job applications. A common mistake on ZipRecruiter is maintaining a sparse profile. For example, a user with a missing skills section received 0 responses to 100 job applications. After optimizing their profile with complete details, response rates jumped to 10%. To secure success, invest time in completing all profile sections. Here are optimization tips that can make a difference. Here's an example of a well-optimized LinkedIn profile that demonstrates strong storytelling and complete details. As career coach Mark Thompson advises, in 2025, resumes without AI enhancements are obsolete. Focus on storytelling with data. By avoiding common mistakes like sparse profiles and using AI tools for optimization, you can dramatically improve your chances of success on ZipRecruiter.